Yeah, because we've got all these old, silly little cars on the table.
They're not silly little cars. These
Toys.
These are my favourite cars. I've said it. I mean it. These are my favourite RC cars.
You know what? You're stuck in the past.
No, listen. Which car, if you could have any car, brand new, in box, what would you get? Easy for me, MO3.
An MO3.
MO3, that's what I'd go with. A Mini Cooper MO3.
You've already got enough of them.
Yeah, but I haven't got a mint new in box one, because none of my cars are mint new in box.
Someone out there will have one.
Yeah, all my cars, they get raced. Speaking of that, boss.
Go on, what?
Did you see the video I put out? Because I counted up how many cars I actually run over the last, like,
I don't know
couple of
whether
weeks.
that's genius or really sad.
Well, RC
You
cars.
counted up all... I mean, who cares?
Well, the thing
No
is,
one's
some
bothered.
people have got big collections of cars, but they only run one of them. Yeah, but I had a good month. August for us is always a good month. We have a lot going on, don't we?
We do have a lot going on.
The weather is normally at its best here in the UK. Therefore, fun times.
Fun times.
And we've made the most of it.
We have. What I don't like is the weather closing in. The winter is upon us, and I don't like it. I don't like it. But yeah, you did run we both run a few cars, didn't we? It's been a really good summer.
So if we go off of that as a question, then all the cars you've run over this summer, what's your favourite 3 cars that you've run this summer? You're only allowed 3 out of all of them.
Favourite 3 cars I've run this summer? Definitely got to be Pitman Dave's Yokomo YZ10. And I'll tell you for why. Because on that grass track at Mill End, it was very much at home, like I think most vintage cars are. And you know what? They're a little bit slower and they're just easier to drive. They're really nice.
So that was probably the race of your life as well.
Yeah, it was good.
Predators,
I enjoyed
wasn't
it. And then the second car would be the Team Associated B7 with the wheel speed hop-ups on it. That is an absolute brute of an animal. And I've really enjoyed racing that on Astro because it's something new for us.
It is. And the Hearts track has been amazing, hasn't it?
Has been good. And the Hearts family, is it a family there? I don't know.
Community.
But the Hearts community, really good. Really enjoyed that. And it's been new territory. You know, carpet is way different to Astro. And got a lot of work to do, though, to be any good at that, to be quite honest. But enjoying it, to be quite honest.
Do you know who impressed me?
Who's that?
Someone we've raced with many a time over the years, but young Brooke over at Hearts.
Yeah, she was good, wasn't she?
A finalist the week before, and then beat you in the B final, didn't she?
Yeah, not difficult because I'm not very good,
but she is a young driver to watch in the future. Great little talent there, really good.
Yeah, absolutely. So
we digress. Your third car, you've chosen 2. What's your third?
Third one.
It's a tricky one.
I think it's going to have to be the Corally Sparks on a 4S at our little Popalong track. I think that was really good fun as well.
Running had those the golden evening, didn't we? The sun was setting. It was just the wet. Everything everything aligned, and we had the most amazing evening there.
So those were my favourite 3 cars. I think the car that if I could have new in box might be, and I've never said this before, maybe the Kyosho, whatever Osho it is, Laser ZX. Because my brother had one when I was growing up and he never let me have a go at it. So I think it'll be that one.
There you go. Awesome stuff. But do you know what? We have been so lucky this summer with racing. I was thinking earlier on today, it's bank holiday weekend while we're shooting this video.
Yeah.
It's raining outside. It is miserable. But I was thinking back to our outdoor season. We've booked in well in advance for all these competitions. Mendip, weather was amazing. West London, weather was amazing.
Yeah,
Broxtowe, weather was amazing. Popalong GP, weather's been amazing. Hearts Summer Series that we did, weather is amazing. We've
been lucky.
We have been so lucky because there have been some events that Yeah, there's been some rain and they come off really mucky and dirty.
I'm a fair weather racer. I ain't racing in the rain. Lots of people that do it have two cars, don't they? A wet car and a dry. I can't be bothered with that.
No. Do you know what? Because I've run so many cars. If those 20 cars I've run this month, I'd run them all in the rain. That's 20 cars I need to do a serious deep clean. All the bearings get wet and it is.
That is it.
It's hard work.
It is hard work. There's nothing worse than having 10 cars that all need work. That is a nightmare.
Yeah.
But there you go.
I've got about 10 cars that need some work, boss.
Yeah, I know. But in terms of racing, the Iconic Cup, as if you're a regular to the channel, you will know that is a date for our diaries every single year. And the last round we just had at Halifax was amazing. But what a series that was. Brilliant. I ended up coming 10th overall. I can't believe that.
I think I was 13th overall, which again, super happy with that.
Yeah.
I wasn't even close to that in the past.
You have to consider that everybody there can drive. Yeah. We're at a point now where when we go to a track, everyone can drive. And the competition is very, very stiff. Especially going back to the Iconic Cup, the stock class, because everybody's absolutely eking every little bit out of those motors and bearings and tyres and everything. So yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do next year though. I don't know whether to do the stock class again or not. But what's this video about anyway? I can't remember.
This video was a little bit of a waffle about some of the good videos that we've actually had recently. We've had a few interesting ones. I'll tell you what, that Talbot video was controversial, wasn't it?
Yeah, we got loads of comments, didn't we?
We did, but we also got loads of new subs.
Yeah, we did.
Over 100 new subs for that one video. So, for some of the die-hard Popalongans, the Popalonians, what are we going with?
I don't know. Popalonians is
good. Popalonians is quite good. I like that. So, for the hardcore Popalonians, they might have thought, why are they going down that route with a video? We're not going to be doing that all the time. However, it did help with the analytics, and it did help the channel grow by an extra 100 subs.
Yeah, but some really good stuff come off the back of it. Some good advice from some very good YouTubers out there saying, maybe we should shake things up a bit. And I took that on board, and I thought to myself, speed run time. What a video that was, wasn't it, eh? I bet you loved that one, didn't you? We got a magical 57 miles an hour out of advantage. What do you reckon?
We've had an amazing summer. Yeah. You're coming into the winter, and now you decide that you want to start doing speed runs in the rain.
Yeah, but these people love things like that, so there'll be more of that as well. And also, a nice, cool track. Like I said in that last video, tyres won't overheat. If it's wet, it's fine. Be good.
Didn't stop the motor overheating, though, did it? Desoldering itself.
Yeah, but that's your fault.
Nothing to do with me.
Well, I
didn't even get a go. You didn't let me have a go.
No, it's your fault, because you should have told me not to keep doing it. I went down the road, back up the road, down the road, back up there. You should have said, whoa, stop. But you didn't, so I blame you for that. It's your fault.
Unbelievable. But if you want to see us actually have a serious attempt at speed runs, we have had a few invitations from some speed runners out there. So if you'd like us to venture down that path, pop it in the comments down below, and we will look at taking it a little bit more seriously.
Why not? Let's give it
because it would be nice to go over 100, wouldn't it?
Yeah, we've had lots of people have contacted us and said, given us some hints and stuff, and they've said we can borrow their cars and things like that. And Michael from Onyx,
he knows his stuff. He knows
his stuff. He's the battery guru.
He's the battery guru. We go to him quite a bit for.
Why do we not use the Onyx? Maybe that's the next video. We'll use Onyx batteries and see if it can go quicker with the same setup.
I imagine it will. The batteries you were using in that were.
They were old race batteries. It was from a long time ago.
It was a bit of just throw it on the track and see what happens.
Yeah, but that's what we do, man. That's what we do here.
It would be nice to take it a little bit more seriously. We've still got to do the Relalo cars properly.
Yeah, we are.
Because they go quite fast.
They do go
I want to run them over at West London, though.
But you keep smashing them up. You keep smashing them up.
I don't.
You do. I fixed it now, anyway. But yeah, you're right, we should take them over. The thing is, that West London track, I love it, but there's a thing in the UK now where our wonderful local
Go on,
government.
have a whinge. Here we go.
Yeah, and
Prepare
it's called,
yourself.
what's
It's
it
gonna
called
be
again?
ULEZ.
The ULEZ charge. So our wonderful, amazing, super duper British government have put into play ULEZ. So in other words, if you go into London with a slightly older car, you have to pay for it.
That upsets you, doesn't
It
it?
really upsets me because I already pay tax, and then I pay road tax. I suppose the only good thing is it apparently cleans up the air, but not on Christmas Day. It doesn't clean the air on Christmas Day because
The air's already magical on Christmas Day. That's why you don't have to pay ULEZ on Christmas Day, because
got you.
Santa Claus has already cleaned it for you.
That's it. With his sleigh dust.
His sleigh dust has cleaned the air, and the kind of the balance is.
You know, I could rant for a long time about things like that, but I ain't gonna.
Don't do it.
I'm not gonna.
You are going to get a reputation as a grumpy old man if you carry on like that.
Yeah, well, it annoys me, and it annoys them as well. They'll tell you.
Oh, do you remember that time you went over the dart charge vid, the bridge? He loves that one.
That's another thing, right? So in the UK, we've got a bridge called the Dartford Bridge.
Crossing, isn't it?
And when you go over it, for some weird reason, you have to pay. I don't even know who but you have to pay someone. Initially, I thought the
dart charge.
I thought that was to recoup the money back for making the bridge, right?
Yeah.
But they went, this is good. I like, so we'll just keep taxing people. So basically, but if you miss it, because let's face it, we are all very, very busy people. They charge you 50 quid. You get a letter the next week, and it charges you 50 quid for going that way, and then 50 quid for coming back. It's about 100 quid just for going over a bridge, and that happened to me twice.
Oh, anyway, you're upsetting the viewers. They came here for fun,
Yeah, but
not
they
you.
know. They're with me.
Misery.
They're with me. You're with me, aren't you? They're with me. They're sick of it, mate. People that don't live in the UK don't know about things like that. But if you do, be very aware, because our country will try and stitch you up. Anyway, I've finished now.
And on that note, please like and subscribe to this joyous channel of fun and enthusiasm. And we'll see you on the next video.